This is Ian Bailey with Ian on Therapy. Today we're going to discuss titles. What is a psychologist, master's, doctorate, what are all these things? Mental health therapist, MFT. So basically, some people, anybody who has one of those titles has a license to be a psychotherapist, a counselor. Someone who has a doctorate is called a psychologist. A PhD, a PsyD, they're called a psychologist. Someone who has a degree in social work, they're a social worker. And if they do psychotherapy, they're called a clinical social worker. Otherwise, they're just doing social work, helping people. Other degrees that are master's level are marriage and family therapist, professional counselor, mental health clinician, mental health therapist. Those are all master's degrees. They probably got a master's in that topic or something similar, and that's the license you have in your state. So essentially, we throw around these words social worker, psychologist, but basically there's a doctorate and there's a master's. In my opinion, if they have a license, it's a must. But if it really depends on their skill set. You can have psychologists who are less great at therapy. You can have master's level therapists that are better. Sorry, doctorate people, but at least one study showed that the more they're in school, the less they're great at therapy. But it really don't mean to demean people. It's based on the quality of their therapy. So bottom line, master's and doctorate degrees, all different licenses. Find a good therapist.